Okay, we have a Haas Vertical Machining Center model TM1P, serial number 1114528. This machine was new in 2014. We're going to run it for you. They also call this the Haas tool room mill. It's running the Z, which is 16-inch travel. You have 16 of Z, 12 of Y, 30 of X, 10.5 by 47.75 inch T-slotted table, Cat 40 spindle up to 6,000 RPM. You have a 10 tool automatic tool changer, 10 station. Doing a tool change. Machine also does have rigid tapping, DNC, 2,000 RPM, 3,500, 5,000 RPM. This also has advanced tool management and intuitive programming. Nice clean machine. Thank you for watching our video.